Welcome to Salonit Anhovo. Salonit Anhovo cement plant is today, regarding the technology, environmental footprint and business efficiency, among the most modern European cement plants. We have achieved this level through systematic and strategic investments and renovation of our production and products. Cement production begins with the extraction of raw materials in a quarry. Crushed material is then transported by belts to the raw material storage hall, where the pre-homogenization process takes place. Monitoring the composition of raw materials starts during the preparation of the raw material pile, as an online analyzer constantly conducts a chemical analysis of the material on the conveyor belt. The data is stored and analyzed by a computer in our laboratory. The raw material mixture is then transferred by a closed conveyor belt to the other bank of the Socha River. It is then ground together with the additives into raw meal, which begins the clinker process at the top of the preheater. The raw meal enters the kiln at the cooler part, where the temperature is approximately 900 degrees Celsius, and gradually progresses towards the warmer part, where it reaches a maximum temperature of 1450 degrees Celsius. In the kiln, the material is partially melted as complex chemical reactions take place. In the final stage, the clinker is cooled on the grate cooler. The clinker, along with the additives, is then ground together with additives into a grey powder, cement. Cement production ensures material quality using a computer-controlled system. Automation and computer assistance provide us with a comprehensive overview of our hardware performance, facilitating sampling plans and analysis of individual materials, as well as a review of results. Cement production is a continuous process with a high consumption of both energy and materials. Originally, cement plants primarily used fossil fuels, but for several decades now, as technology has enabled it, the use of high-energy waste has become increasingly established. Today, waste is used as a fuel in the frame of circular economy by more than 200 cement plants in the European Union. Its use in cement production is uniformly regulated by European legislation. In 2017, we received the Bronze Sustainable Energy Award from EBRD, the European Bank for Reconstruction and Development, for our progress in the use of non-hazardous solid recovered waste in the energy mix. Salonit Anhovo has one of the most extensive environmental information databases, which fully complies with legislative requirements. We further conduct several additional optional measurements in cooperation with professional and research institutions. Some of the researches were conducted for the first time in Slovenia. Findings show that air quality in the Kanal ob Soči municipality is better than in many towns in Slovenia. The quality of soil and water is comparable to the quality of soil and water in the rest of the region. One of our pillars is our social responsibility, especially towards the local community. As many as 2/3 of our employees come from the municipality of Kanal ob Soči. We therefore devote a lot of resources to transparency of environmental information. We regularly organize open house, and every 2 years we support the European Minerals Days. Both events are dedicated to all local residents. Salonit Anhovo employees, in addition to ensuring their families' livelihoods, fully fulfill legal obligations to the state and the municipality. Through our work, we also provide financial and material support to several societies and activities within the municipality. All this has been made possible by the production of cement for the generations in the region for almost 100 years. Cement is an essential component of concrete, which is, besides water, the most used material in the world.